Did you know without rocks we wouldn't have roads? About 7,000 years ago, the wheel was developed in Mesopotamia, and while before that dirt paths and trails were common, the wheel needed a bit more sturdy surface. Around 6,000 years ago, the oldest known stone-paved streets were constructed in the Mesopotamian cities Ur and Babylon. Around that same time period, the Indus Valley Civilization in modern Pakistan also developed paved roads in its settlements and were known for a grid-like structure. As time passed, the need for better engineered roads became significant, and the Egyptians stepped up to the task. The first documented engineered road was the Lake Morris Quarry Road in the Fayum district of Egypt. It was created with slabs of sandstone and limestone, and the builders even included some logs of petrified wood. The pavement stones we've been able to see today bore no deep grooves or other marks, so geologists have speculated that the logs were laid over the stones as a sled was drawn toward the lake. During the Roman Empire, there was a need for armies to be able to travel quickly from one area to another, and the roads that existed were often muddy, which greatly delayed the movement of large masses of troops. To solve this problem, the Romans built roads that used deep roadbeds of crushed stone as an underlying layer to ensure that they were kept dry, as the water would flow out from the crushed stone instead of becoming mud in the clay soils. Fast forward to today, and humans are still constantly engineering and improving our roadways, and guess what? The asphalt and concrete roads we drive on today have rocks in them. Asphalt roads are a composite mixture of sand, rocks, and bitumen, which is a naturally occurring dense and viscous form of petroleum. Concrete is also a mixture of sand, rock, and cement, which is a finely ground powdery binding agent made from limestone and other minerals. Usually when I think of mining, my mind goes to metals, marble and granite countertops, and precious gems, but aggregate quarries for construction are a huge industry. It's estimated that the United States alone consumes over 2 billion tons of construction aggregate annually. Turns out rocks are pretty important in our day-to-day lives. If you want more videos on asphalt or concrete, let me know because I work in the industry.